20 years ago, there was a girl that lost her dad at a tender age. She used to stay with her mother. The mother was just a street vendor, selling sweets on the streets, selling juice and other petty things. So the girl used to sit with her mother on the streets to sell things, and also to help her other siblings wash clothes and also take them to school. But this girl didn't have the chance to be taken back to school after her primary 7. So she had no hope to go to school. And she used to stay with her mother, doing all the petty work at home. So this girl was picked by Sunrise after some years and taken back to school. She was taken to a very nice school that's in secondary. And after secondary, she joined university. Makerere University. Makerere is one of the biggest and very nice universities in Uganda. She's very happy. She likes her work. She is now working with Sunrise. She likes her work. She enjoys working with children. She likes seeing children move on well, as she was helped by Sunrise. She sees it's a blessing to work with the same organization, to work with Sunrise, to help the children, to help everything, to do every work that is in Sunrise. And do you know who this girl is? This is the girl I'm talking about. It's Proceed. Thank you so much, my dear sponsors. Thank you everyone that has made me what I am today. May God bless you, and may God bless your families. May God reward you abundantly. Bye-bye.